take a look at what you can expect to find with your new Origin Series device. The device I have in front of me is a half stack, but the contents will be exactly the same for the full stack, although the full stack, of course, is a much bigger light. Let's take a look. First thing you will find is some flyers, a thank you note with some basic user instructions, some contact information on the back, another flyer with some more setup instructions, how to plug the device in, how to hang it off a door, and of course some safety information. Underneath the foam, the first thing you're going to see is your beautiful new Origin device light. As I said, this is the half stack. On the top, these are the threads for hanging the device, and on the back you will find the power socket and the switches. You'll notice there are two switches. One is for the near infrared light and one is for the red light. Don't forget, near infrared light is invisible, so even when you switch this on, you won't see any light coming out of the device. The red light, of course, you will see. We do recommend that you use both kinds of light for all your treatments, except perhaps if you're doing a treatment in the evening after dark, you might just want to switch the near infrared light off and just use the red light. So we've also got, of course, a power cable in the box, which just plugs straight into the wall. You'll also find the door hook, which will go on top of the door and have the pulley system attached to that. You'll find the threaded cables. Now these cables connect directly onto these threaded screws, and these little loops go through the carabiner hook on the door pulley system. For more information, please check out our website. We have some user guides there and tons of extra information. If you need any more help, please feel free to reach us on the email.